MR50 MightEvac-Kits and components. The Miller MightEvac self-retracting lifeline with emergency revival hoist is a retractable device designed to be used by personnel for fall protection in confined space applications with a quick activating retrieval mechanism for emergency evacuation. It is compatible with Miller tripod and Miller DuraHoist. The part numbers by themselves indicate the components and the details of each unit. The meaning of each letter and number of the part numbers are as follows. There are several ways you can order this unit: the unit by itself with galvanized stainless steel or Kevlar cable, as a complete kit with a 7-foot or 9-foot tripod, and the more complete kit with the manhandler hoist. Let's review an example of each one. Let's take part number MR50GB Z7 50 feet, for example. M. The letter M indicates that the unit is a MightEvac. R. The letter R indicates that the unit has a retrieval mechanism. 50. The numbers indicate the length of the unit. G. The G indicates that the unit will have galvanized cable. B. The B indicates the unit includes the bracket 9054EV, which is used to install the unit to the Miller tripod. Z7. Z7 references to ANSI Z359. 50 feet. All the digits after the / indicate the length of the cable. You can change the material of the cable for stainless steel by replacing the letter G for S or Kevlar by replacing the letter G for K. MR50GC Z7 50 feet. Here we can see that instead of a letter B, we have a letter C. This indicates that this is a complete kit with a 7-foot Miller tripod 51/7 feet, a mounting bracket 9054EV, a winch carrying bag 8280H/YL, and the tripod carrying bag 8287H/YL. MR50GX Z7 50 feet. Here we can see that instead of a letter C, we have a letter X. This indicates that this is a complete kit with a 9-foot Miller tripod 51X/9 feet, a mounting bracket 9054EV, a winch carrying bag 8280H/YL, and the tripod carrying bag 8287HX/YL. MR50GCM Z7 50 feet. The meaning is the same as above. Here we can see that besides the letter C, we have a letter M. This indicates this kit includes a manhandler hoist, a 7-foot Miller tripod 51/7 feet, a mounting bracket 9054EV, 2 winch carrying bags 8280H/YL, and the tripod carrying bag 8287H/YL. MR50GXM Z7 50 feet. Here we can see that besides the letter M, we have a letter X. This indicates this kit includes a manhandler hoist, a 9-foot Miller tripod 51X/9 feet, a mounting bracket 9054EV, 2 carrying bags 8280H/YL, and the tripod carrying bag 8287HX/YL. As we can see, the versatility of the Miller MightEvac makes it the best choice for confined space rescue. All units contain a pulley CP105 and a carabiner 17D1.